Hello friends, our topic is to find the value of sin 30 degree, cos 30 degree, tangent 30 degree, cosecant 30 degree, secant 30 degree and cotangent 30 degree by using very simple method of trigonometry. Consider we have a sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. It means we say that it is altitude divided by hypotenuse. So to prove the value of sin 30 degree, consider a Cartesian coordinate system x-axis and y-axis. Here we have a circle which is a unit circle. Consider that here this is our unit circle. It means that the radius of this circle is equal to 1. So the value from origin to its boundary from everywhere is equal to 1 unit or 1 meter, 1 centimeter. So the value of the radius of the circle from O to P is 1 because this is our unit circle. So this is our right angle triangle. If we want to find the value of 30 degree, here we draw a perpendicular which is equal to 90 and this remaining angle is 60 degree because we know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degree. So we only know this value. So what will be the value of AP and OA? For this value we have to draw further perpendicular to downward and it intersect at this point, call it P prime, and this is the same radius whose value is 1 and this is equal to angle 30 degree. So by using the side angle sine hypothesis, we know that this is our isosceles triangle, that equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. So the length of the side P to P prime equals to 1 and the distance between A to P is half, which is equal to 1 by 2, and similarly here it is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the value of the side OA? So we know that this is a triangle OAP is right angle triangle. So from the O triangle OAP, by using Pythagoras theorem, which is equal to hypotenuse square equals to base square and opposite square. The value of hypotenuse is 1, which is equal to 1, and we want to calculate the value of base, which is equal to, consider it x square. The value of opposite is 1 by 2 square. So by simplifying it, 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to x square. So this is 3/4, which is equal to x square, and x is equal to square root 3/2 plus minus square root 3/2. This is the value of base square root 3/2. So now we have the value. Now we know that substituting the values in the ratio sin theta, which is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So similarly we find out the value of cos theta, which is equal to base over hypotenuse. So we know that the value of hypotenuse equals to 1, which is equal to 1. From here we know that the value of hypotenuse is 1. So the sin theta is equal to opposite, and cos theta equals to base. So we know that the side opposite to this is our opposite side, or altitude, which is equal to 1/2. This is our base. So we conclude here from the result that sine of 30 degree equals to opposite, which is equal to 1/2, and cos of 30 degree, which is equal to base, and we know the value of base, which is equal to square root 3/2. So this is our values for sin 30 degree and cos 30 degree. Now we can also find out the value of tangent theta, tangent 30 degree, which is equal to opposite divided by base. So substituting the values, 1/2 divided by square root 3/2, so cancel out both 2's, and we have tangent 30 degree, which is equal to 1/square root 3. So this is a very easy method. By using the definition of unit circle, we can also find the other three values, like the remaining other three values. For example, the value of cosecant 30 degree, which is equal to 2/1. The value of secant 30 degree, which is equal to 2/square root 3, and the value of cotangent 30 degree, which is equal to square root 3/1. We know that cosecant theta is equal to 1/sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta, and secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cotangent theta, which is the reciprocal of tangent theta. So if you like the videos, subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and your students. Thank you for watching.